Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to turn off iCloud Drive on your iPhone. So if you don't want your files syncing with iCloud Drive anymore, then just follow along. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, tap iCloud, then under Saved to iCloud, tap Drive or iCloud Drive depending on your iOS version. Now sync this iPhone or iCloud Drive off. If prompted, choose whether you'd like to keep a copy of your iCloud Drive files on your iPhone or remove them from the device. Remember that turning off iCloud Drive only stops syncing on this iPhone. Your files will remain stored in iCloud unless you delete them separately. And if you ever want to sync your files again, return to the same settings, then turn iCloud Drive back on. So that was how to turn off iCloud Drive on your iPhone. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.